Here are some amazing facts about the Madagascar jacana. General overview: the Madagascar jacana Actophilornis albinucha is a species of bird in the Jacanidae family. It's endemic to Madagascar, meaning it's found nowhere else in the world. The species is known for its distinctive white nape, contrasting with the rest of its dark body. Like other jacanas, it has long toes that allow it to walk on floating vegetation in shallow lakes. The Madagascar jacana inhabits freshwater wetlands, including marshes, lakes, and ponds. They are part of the wader group of birds, which refers to their habit of foraging in shallow water. Despite its unique appearance, it's closely related to other African jacanas. It is listed as least concern on the IUCN Red List. Their primary diet consists of insects and other invertebrates. Madagascar jacanas can often be seen hunting for small fish, especially during the dry season. Physical characteristics: it has a long neck and a slender body. Adult males and females have similar plumage, making them difficult to distinguish visually. They have striking, bright yellow legs. Their long, thin toes allow them to distribute their weight and walk on water plants. Juvenile Madagascar jacanas have more muted colors compared to adults. They grow to about 23 to 26 centimeters in length. Unlike many birds, jacanas have claws on their wings, which they use in territorial fights. The species has a distinctive call, which they use to communicate with each other. Behavior: the Madagascar jacana is a polyandrous species, meaning females may mate with multiple males. Males are responsible for incubating the eggs and caring for the young. Females are larger and more dominant than males, which is typical of jacanas. Males build the nests, usually on floating vegetation. Their nests are often well camouflaged to protect against predators. The incubation period lasts about 22 to 28 days. Chicks are precocial, meaning they can walk and feed themselves shortly after hatching. Chicks are covered in soft, downy feathers when born. The parents, especially the male, will help chicks stay on floating vegetation and away from danger. They are territorial birds, with both males and females defending their territory from others. Madagascar jacanas are generally solitary, except during breeding season. They are highly adaptable to changes in water levels and will move to deeper or shallower waters as necessary. These birds can swim, although they prefer walking on vegetation. They are capable of diving underwater to escape predators. Madagascar jacanas are migratory, moving short distances between wetland areas based on water availability. During the dry season, they may gather in larger groups around remaining water sources. They are diurnal, being most active during daylight hours. Habitat and ecosystem role: they are found primarily in the lowland regions of Madagascar. They play an important role in controlling insect populations in wetland areas. Their preferred habitat includes lakes, rivers, swamps, and rice paddies. They are often spotted in areas with dense aquatic vegetation, such as water lilies and lotus plants. The Madagascar jacana's long toes help it forage on floating plants like water lilies for food. They contribute to the biodiversity of Madagascar's unique ecosystems. They have adapted to thrive in wetlands where many other bird species struggle. The bird's population is stable, partly due to Madagascar's vast wetland habitats. Their presence in a wetland is often an indicator of a healthy ecosystem. Conservation and threats: Madagascar jacanas are vulnerable to habitat loss due to agriculture and human development. They are also threatened by pollution and pesticide use in wetlands. Illegal poaching and hunting have also posed risks in some areas. Climate change, affecting water levels in Madagascar's wetlands, poses a future threat. Conservation efforts are underway to protect Madagascar's wetlands, helping to safeguard this species. Ecotourism is helping to raise awareness about the species and its habitat. Interesting facts: the Madagascar Jacana is known locally as the water-walking bird. The bird's ability to walk on water plants has earned it nicknames like Jesus bird. They are rarely found far from water and are well adapted to their semi-aquatic lifestyle. Madagascar jacanas are relatively shy and difficult to approach in the wild. Their feathers are water resistant, helping them stay dry when moving through wet environments. They have a unique vocalization, which sounds like a combination of chirps and trills. The species is often difficult to spot due to its tendency to hide in dense vegetation. They are not aggressive toward humans and will usually flee when approached.